Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Agrafab 0299 Tow Plug Aerator. The Agrafab plug aerator has 32 galvanized plugs that will penetrate to a depth of 3 inches. Able to hold 140 pounds of weight, the steel construction will withstand years of use. When you have heavy soil, you need a heavy-duty lawn aerator. For best results, secure the blocks with bungee cords to prevent shifting during use. With a universal hitch that fits all lawn tractors and UTVs, the cantilever transport handle makes raising and lowering the plugs an easy task. The 10-inch tires will not deflate and roll smoothly over even rutted terrain. The 48-inch plug aerator has a weight tray that can hold up to 175 pounds. For added soil penetration, the transport handle can be reached from the seat of the tractor and allows for easy raising and lowering of the plug aerator. Our second best lawn aerator is Vaughan House Electric Lawn Aerator. This multifunctional tool, with separate dethatcher and aerator drums, breaks up thatch using sprung prongs that do a nice job of pulling moss out of your lawn. It includes a 12.5 motor that helps lift organic debris from your lawn and perforates the soil to promote healthy grass growth. With the attached 45 liters collection box, there is no need for manual raking. Simply dispose of lawn debris after usage, and remember, always dethatch first. It features a folding soft grip handle and a removable grass box for easy storage. You can manually adjust height depths using a lever to select between 5 operational heights. It comes with a built-in carry handle for easy transportation. Well suited to small and mid-sized lawns, with a thermal cutout and 2-stage safety start ensure safe operation. Third in our list is Yard Butler ID6C Lawn Aerator. The Yard Butler Lawn Coring Aerator revitalizes old lawns while using less water and fertilizer. By removing 2 3/2-inch cores, the lawn coring aerator reduces compaction and dethatches your lawn while letting air, water and fertilizer get down to the roots of your yard. The Yard Butler Lawn Aerator tool was built to last with durable steel construction. The powder-coated steel is heavy-duty and rust-resistant. Cushioned handles provide additional grip. Yard Butler Pro tools are designed to last a lifetime. A handheld aerator is much easier to store and can get into tight places where a tow-behind aerator cannot go. Yard Butler offers both plug and spike handheld aerators. The plug type has 2 tines that will penetrate up to 3.5 inches. The spike aerator has 4 3-inch spikes. Both aerators are made of steel, measuring 37 inches high and weighing around 4 pounds. Each has rubber padded handles and a footrest for ease in pushing the aerator into the soil. The Yard Butler Lawn Aerator tool was built to last with durable steel construction. No back strain with this 37-inch tool. Foot bar provides extra leverage so aerating your lawn is easy work. Remove 2 3-inch plugs. Drive the aerator down into your lawn to promote the flow of water, fertilizer, and air deep into the roots. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best lawn aerators list is Sunjoe AJ801E Electric Lawn Aerators. The electrically powered Sunjoe AJ801E which uses a rotating bladed cylinder to scrape up the detritus, accomplishes the task effectively and in far less time. We like the product for its 12-amp electric motor, and for its 12.6-inch path, which strikes us as just the right size for most lawns. Enhancing its raking ability is Air Boost technology, which maximizes thatch pickup with spring steel tines that stay sharp longer for reliable performance. Aerating may allow your lawn better access to the water and air it needs to grow. But it also doesn't address the issue of piled up and compressed growth, which can prevent all that from happening. Scarifying your lawn at regular intervals cuts grass roots and encourages growth for thicker, healthier turf. The 27-pound, ETL-approved dethatcher features a single handle, 5-position depth control, from less than half an inch below the soil to just under half an inch above. This way you can be sure you set the machine to remove what you want removed and not an entire swath of sod. The handles require minimal assembly, with included hardware. Our last pick is Step and Tilt Core Lawn Aerator. The Step and Tilt Lawn Aerator is faster and easier to use than other manual aerators. Simply step on the platform to drive aerator tines into the ground and tilt the handlebar backward to remove the tines from the ground. It makes core aeration easy and enjoyable for both DIYers and professional landscapers alike. The Step and Tilt should be used in areas with grass only. Tines will clog if used on bare soil. Core lawn aerators require very moist soil for smooth operation, and this Step and Tilt is no exception. We recommend that you aerate one day after at least 1 inch of rain or irrigation because it takes time for water to be absorbed into the soil, particularly clay soil. If you have a sprinkler system, each sprinkler zone will need to run for 60 to 90 minutes. This unit comes with an optional soil core container, and a soil core remover is also included.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!